Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Mami. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to install this beautiful hair that I received from the BLH Paris. I received 3 bundles with one HD lace closure frontal, which is 16 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead, give it to my hairdresser to turn it into a wig. I'm not a professional, I just love to play with the hair. Without further ado, I'll let you watch. It came in this beautiful black box, which I really love. It looks very luxurious. Who doesn't love the luxurious feeling? We do all love it, right? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. Voilà, la vidéo est en anglais, tout simplement parce que la compagnie m'a demandé de le faire en anglais. Franchement, il n'y a rien de compliqué. Donc, je vais juste aller installer ma perruque. Je ne suis pas professionnelle, c'est juste parce que j'aime bien jouer avec mes cheveux. Donc, du coup, je vais juste aller l'installer avec vous. Et voilà, donc, ce sont des cheveux de qualité que j'aime beaucoup. Je laisserai toutes les informations en barre d'infos si vous êtes intéressé. Another exciting news, if you live in Canada or USA, you can be qualified for free shipping. The only condition, you have to exceed $200 so you can qualify for free shipping. Make sure you exceed the $200, okay? Who doesn't want to save the money? I do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and install my wig. Honestly, I'm the type of person, I don't like to complicate myself. I love to make everything easy. So I don't even cut the cap underneath. You see the brown cap underneath? I don't shape it, I don't cut it, I just leave it the way it is. And I just put my wig on the top. You see how I'll do it, and honestly it's easy. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and trim the lace. Very easy. If you're not comfortable, you can buy a head, you can do that on the side, but I love to do this on my head. Honestly, for me it's very easy and simple. This is the time for me to use my Got2b glue. I'm gonna go ahead, spray that on my lace just to make sure that it's laid down. That's what we want to see. Honestly, very practical, nothing complicated. And for the rest of the lace that you are seeing right now, I'm going to cut it after the hair is all dried. Just to make the process a little bit faster, I'm gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer, but all depends to you. If you just want to go ahead and use your hairband and just lay your wig down, But what I do, I use the blow dryer, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and use my hairband. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use my belt from one of my jumpsuits. But if you have a hairband, a scarf, you can go ahead and use it. Honestly, nothing very complicated. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it like this for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off. Okay, 30 minutes later, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the belt. I'm gonna take it off, and if you have noticed, I have cut the rest of the lace off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of the baby hair. I'm not a big fan of baby hair. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do a little bit of the baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and trim a little bit and just play with the hair. Look at me, I was getting all excited. I love the hair. It's all beautiful. The curls are beautiful. It's all bouncy. I really love it. It was easy to install. The HD lace was just amazing. I really love it. Just a little bit of shading, nothing to be alarmed about, nothing dramatic, just a regular shading, like nothing big. But overall, the hair is amazing. It's soft. I really love it. As you can see, I'm gonna leave my discount code. If you are interested, you can save some dollars, and then I'll leave the website and the link for this beautiful hair. Remember, this came as a bundle. It did not come as a wig. I took it to my hairdresser to turn it into a wig. Look at the hair. It's just magnifico. I really love it. Just to make it a little bit shiny. You don't have to put a lot, just a little. Okay, so there's a little bit of shading, just a little bit, not that much, nothing to complain about, which is normal, just a little bit, not too much. I love my curly hair to be full like this, and we only use 3 bundles and it looks so full and just beautiful. So I couldn't do much, but I still love the way it looks. Very beautiful hair. And honestly, I love the frontal. I really love it. Thank you all for watching. I'll be linking all the information down below for you guys, and do not forget to use my discount code MM15 for 15% off. Why not, for you to save some dollars. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon. Kiss kiss. Bye.